Hello, jury members. I am Nadia Jaman Asia. Today, I am presenting my portfolio that showcases my creative work, photography, and merchandise that built entirely with HTML and CSS, with Bootstrap specifically for the merchandise section. The technical implementation is purposefully minimal: pure HTML with semantic structure, custom CSS for all styling and layout, Bootstrap 5 used exclusively for the merchandise grid system. I built this with a mobile-first approach. All responsiveness is achieved through CSS media queries. Now let me show you the key sections. Homepage, clean layout with clear navigation. Portfolio sections, photography and creative work with CSS grid layouts. Merchandise page, where I implemented Bootstrap for the product grid. Context section, simple links for direct contact. Responsive behavior, how the site adapts to different screens. Now let's talk about strengths and weaknesses. First, strengths. My code is lightweight and fast loading. I have maintained separation of concerns. Custom CSS for most styling. Bootstrap only where necessary. The CSS is well organized with comments. I used semantic HTML throughout for accessibility. For the merchandise section, I chose Bootstrap's grid system because it provides a reliable, responsive product layout with minimal code. And the weaknesses. My main area for improvement is code organization. While the site works perfectly, my CSS file could be better structured with more consistent naming conventions. Some media queries have similar breakpoints that could be consolidated. Also, while Bootstrap speeds up development, I am importing more CSS than I use on the merchandise page. For future projects, I would create a more modular CSS architecture and consider customizing Bootstrap to include only the components I need. Let's talk about technical decisions that I made. First, maintainability. Simple tech stack is easier to maintain. Learning focus demonstrates mastery of core HTML or CSS. Strategic framework use. Bootstrap only where it adds clear value. Progressive enhancement. The site works everywhere. Then add Bootstrap features where supported. Considering that I was asked to build a functional website demonstrating technical skills. Based on this, I would give myself a score of 25 out of 30. A solid implementation of requested technologies with room for expanded functionality. Thank you for your time.